Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can add a PDF to your Wix website. So here you can see that I am on my Wix editor. So if I want to add a PDF to this section of my Wix website, so for that I need to click on the plus icon on the left panel and then you need to go to embed code. So after that you need to scroll down until you see a PDF viewer. You need to click on add to site and this will add the PDF viewer to your Wix website. You can move it around and position it according to your requirements. You can resize it, and if you want to add a PDF file, you need to click on settings and then here you need to click on upload PDF. So after that a menu will open. Here you will need to click on upload media and then upload from your computer. We'll open up the file explorer. I will choose this PDF. So after that you need to click on add to page. So here you can see that my PDF has been added. So you can change a ton of other settings as well. If you want to change the layout, you want to show only the thumbnail, or if you want to view the full page, you can change its display. You can change it to mini viewer, one page. So you can explore it on your own. So I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.